everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Air Canada employee account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in travel.aircanada.com. Now in this page, you'll have to enter your employee number or registration number and your PIN code. Then you'll also have to select the medium of your language. If you do not remember your PIN, then you can click on the link that says create or reset PIN. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on first time user link. After entering your details, click on the enter/enter button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Air Canada employee account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.